Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can hide your taskbar in Windows 11. Now hover your mouse to the taskbar, that is your taskbar, right click on the taskbar, choose taskbar settings. When this opens, scroll down to taskbar behaviors. That's it there, taskbar behaviors, click on it. Now put a tick here in the box, automatically hide the taskbar, and you will see that the taskbar now is hidden. But to have access to your taskbar, I'm going to hover to that point. So whenever you go downwards, it comes out. If I take my mouse off, you see the taskbar is gone. If I hover downwards again, taskbar is out. So I will go ahead and close this box. To unhide your taskbar, just hover your mouse downwards. You see the taskbar isn't showing, so hover your mouse downwards. Now the taskbar is showing. Right click on it again. Click on the taskbar settings. Now this box comes out. Hover down and choose taskbar behavior. Click on the taskbar behaviors. Uncheck that, automatically hide the taskbar. So I'll uncheck it. Now once unchecked, I'll go ahead and close. Now my taskbar is now visible. If this video helped you, please drop me a comment. If this is the first time you've seen it, drop me a comment, like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share the video to someone who might benefit from it. I'll see you in the next video.